Hey there! Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to connect your customer data from Shopify to TextPeak. You will learn how to import data by adding a contact list to TextPeak, how to check the status of individual contacts, and how to download or remove the list later. For such integration, a connection with Shopify should be ready in TextPeak. If you've already established the connection, go to Contacts and select Contact Lists in your TextPeak account. Click Add List and then Integration in the pop-up window. Fill in the name and description and proceed to the next step. Select a connection you created when installing the app and click Save and Next. Choose which customer data you would like to import from Shopify. Expand the Contact Fields drop-down list and select the needed fields. Then go to Data Filters. You must add one or several pairs of Shopify data and values. To do this, select a filter name in the Filter drop-down box, and then enter its value in the next box. Click Add More to define another filter. After clicking Save and Preview, map details with contact fields in CommPeak. Finally, click Import Contacts. View the list summary. And continue. Your new list appears in the table. You can see that it is from Shopify, its progress, and the number of contacts. Click the information icon in Actions to see if all contacts are parsed successfully. Some may fail because their phone number is not mobile. You can check the parse status on the Individual Contacts tab. Also, you can later remove or download your list in Actions. If your list is ready, go ahead and send your SMS campaign now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.